This video is regarding the MVP simulation of my product TradeProof. So you can find its code base on the GitHub with the name TradeProof. So it is just a Python web app which accepts the PDFs, which will be the bill of lading and shipping bills, etc. It will extract the data, normalize the data using the Gemini API or if required Azure APIs, and it will execute a 7-step reconciliation engine so that it will compare the data points and the results will be displayed in a full-fledged Streamlit dashboards, which and the data can be exported back as a HTML, JSON files or a Excel sheet file. Now this is just the simulated version of the same. Due to unavailability of API keys, I have developed a turnaround wherein we can bypass the API requirement. Let me first run the app so that it will be better to understand. This is the home page of a TradeProof. Herein we can use any API provider, either Gemini or OpenAI. I'm planning to add here two more, that would be Ulama and Gemma. The reason being that their token sizes are quite big, so the free tier version can be readily available to use. If you switch to Azure, the number of credentials increase. You can change it as per your requirement. There is the ingestion workflow given over here and the reconciliation checks. So there are 7 checkpoints which can be seen over here. Each is denoted by a different color for better understanding. There is also some basic functionality involved. Clear the cache data, to print, to record the screen, and in the settings some UI components have been added. Wide mode, enabling, disabling. Custom theme management is added. You can alter the theme, you can change the font. Let's do it to monospace plus for an example. This is how these are some of the components which are added. So let's turn on this as well. To turn on save, once run, it will save the stuff. And there are past audits which can be visible over here. You can select a specific ID to copy it, you can download it, you can search into it, you can view it clearly, up to you. Then you can even search based on the report ID, and you can load the audit. Okay, now let's simulate it one by one. Okay, so herein let's upload the master bill. Let's take bill, upload it. Let's take a shipping bill and upload it. Well, and physical seals if required, you can just click a image and upload it as well. Well, what happens over here is that instantly the requirement of Gemini and Azure is OpenAI API keys is eliminated. So when I hit the execute audit button, the system skips the actual AI extraction phase and jumps to the next cycle, which is the reconciliation cycle. So it instantly feeds the reconciliation engine with a realistic, which is pre-configured mock payload data, bill of lading, shipping bills, etc. It is preloaded and it is a mock data so that we can simulate it better. So this allows us to test out the UI UX, the 7-point reconciliation logic, dashboards, charts, human in the loop overrides, the reporting and export functionality, and without spending any API credits, needing the backend keys. Okay, so this is possible. So herein if we execute, oh, so now it is showing please enter a Gemini key in the sidebar. Let's turn on the demo mode first. So uploading document will return mock pass data complete. Let's execute this. It is executing. Well, here the report is generated, and we can confirm the 7-point reconciliation engine working fully working fully and computing the data in the demo mode. Demo mode is only designed so that it can bypass AI extraction phase. That's it. Apart from that, everything others, once the mock data is handed over to the reconciliation engine, it treats it exactly like a real data. It runs the same exact mathematical and logical checkpoints, generates the discrepancy reads alerts if any, and builds the interactive dashboard. So it can save the audit report to your local database. So here you can see this is the dashboard. Here you can either download Excel report, HTML report, JSON report. Let's download the Excel report. We will view that file later. Now, wherein if there are any discrepancies that can be seen, we can see the audit log completely. Okay, you can view it. So this is the mock data which is getting filled up. Okay, and this is how everything is visible. So wherein we hit so apart from the AI extraction phase, absolutely everything else is fully functional. Okay, so the reconciliation engine is function, physical verification is concerned. If uploaded a file over here, UI and dashboards are visible as you can see right now. Human in the loop is available, and database storage also. So if you go to past audits, one more is added for right now. Okay, you can view it. You can search the report ID whichever you want, load audit. Okay, and deselect anything. This is how everything works. Let's just view the Excel file. So this is how the Excel sheet gets exported. Okay, and it can be saved. So this is all about the uh, MVP as of now. It is completely this is built on Google Antigravity using Gemini Pro 3.1, and I'm planning further to include Gemma and Olama, so which will give me some more flexibility and more ease of access in the overall procedure and program. Now this is 99% deployable ready. Just the uh, Docker integration will be required if you want to deploy this application on the web.